Hello guys, good morning. Today it's a weekend. Now it's 8:30. I've got my breakfast. I hate this breakfast to the core of my heart, but I will have to have something. चलो अभी ये ब्रेकफास्ट करता हूँ and in lunch as well we'll have to suffer because of having basically we'll get rice, sambar and with some fries. Ah, it's a horrible start to the weekend but can't help. चलो अब मैं कुछ मूवी वूवी देखता हूँ, कुछ नाश्ता करता हूँ, फिर सोचते हैं क्या करना है. थोड़ा मिक्सचर ही ले आता हूँ यार. आई ट्राई टू ऐड सम ऑफ दिस मिक्सचर यार, ताकि थोड़ा सा बेटर लगे. तो फाइनली आफ्टर हैविंग द ब्रेकफास्ट आई एम प्लानिंग टू हैव दिस pomegranate. I'm happy that it is not yet spoiled, so I'll try to finish it up. In the last stream, you might have seen that I was tearing apart the pomegranates, and this is what the outcome is. इसमें सिर्फ 2 पोमोग्रेनेट है, सिर्फ नहीं, 2 पोमोग्रेनेट में एक एक नहीं 75% ऑफ द बाउल, इतना ही है. Now I'll enjoy this and then probably read something or maybe enjoy Netflix. Let's see how the day unfolds for me. Guys, it's 12:53 and I'm heading for lunch. कैसे करके कटकना है देखते हैं. Good morning guys. I could not sleep yesterday night very well because of which I have ordered this good night refill pack from Zepto, not sponsored for sure. That's how the breakfast looks like. Hello guys, now it's 9:08 and today is 23rd August. It's a Sunday. Yesterday night I could not sleep properly because of the mosquitoes. So forcefully I had no other option other than to purchase this. I think you guys might have seen I have recorded a small clip while I was having my breakfast. So as soon as it came, I just wanted to check whether it is effective or not. So I can smell something different. I hope this works for tonight. Let's see. So for now, I'm getting some what we say fragrance out of it. I think it is working. I just wanted to check whether the machine was working or not. That's why I tried to switch it on in the morning. Maybe in the evening at around 7 we will again start this. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see how the day unfolds throughout. I'll keep you guys posted. Hello, good evening. Now it's 7:51 and I'm heading for dinner. Entire day it rained like anything here in Hyderabad, so we could not go out or do anything apart from just lying in the bed. Let's see what's the dinner looks like. Hello guys, good morning. Now it's 7:39 and I'm all fresh. And most importantly, I don't want to go to office today, even that it is Monday. So I'm planning to go to office on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. That's the plan. So I'll get some hot water now and have lemon with hot water and then go for the breakfast.
మీరు ఇటు పక్క వచ్చేదన్నారా?
ఆడే అక్కడే సర్వే
Finally, I have received my package. Today is Monday and I have completed my work, taken bath. Now I will unbox this. You'll get to know what this is all about. Looks intact. I hope it works. So this is what I have received. Looks absolutely fine with respect to the packaging. I hope it works. So let me give you a brief about what this is all about. So this is something which we can use to heat water, uh, basically for coffee or maybe just for having hot water. In prior vlogs or prior videos, you might have seen that I was facing issue with respect to hot water in the PG. So what I thought is, in case someday our hot water is not working, I can use my own utensil, I would say. So the price is written over here is 150, but I paid only 75 bucks, given that uh, I opted for what we say mesh or pay later. So I'll test it out and then share the review how this works. This is how it looks like. It's a sleek device. And one more thing I must tell you, I have got good shock from this particular device. I think in my plus 2 time, I think it's class 12. So from that, this is the second time I'm using this. So let's see how it works. I'll try to heat some water, but yeah, I won't try to touch the glass so that I'm safe. Basically, I want to be safe. I don't want any sort of shock. ठीक है, चलो, I'll try to heat some water and see. So I just connected the device and yes, I can see some vibrations over here. I don't know how should I show it to you guys. Let me use some other phone as well. Can you see some bubbles here? I think it's working, but I won't dare to touch this. Let me switch it off. Take out this particular thing. Take out the socket as well. Let me try to touch this now. Yeah, it's warm. It's warm. I know you guys cannot feel and sense it, but yeah, it is definitely working. Good. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I like the product. I hope it lasts at least for a few months. Okay, I'll just throw this now. Or let me just try to boil it properly. At least for the very first time. I'll keep it here. Attach it here. Switch it on. Let's see how much time it takes to boil this. I cannot see the time though. Let me check for the other phone. 1 second. Okay, now it's 5:51. I have started boiling the water and it looks like it is boiling as well. So let's say how much time it takes to boil this entire water. Though I can see some fumes. Is it getting some fire or something? Okay, let's see. Let me observe it for next couple of minutes and then see the outcome. Now it's 53. It has started boiling. If you observe, we are getting some hot bubbles, and that too, water is also vaporizing. So let me just switch it off. take out the socket. I seriously fear this thing here. Take this out, keep it safe, try to touch the glass. Oh, it's very hot, guys. Seriously, it's really very hot. So it's like I need to delegate at least couple of minutes, or maybe just 1 minute, to heat up this water. Nice. Chalo. I'll throw this one on, given that I used this particular water. It is not meant for drinking. Okay, that's pretty much it. I'm planning to go somewhere out for a walk, given that I did not work from almost, I would say, 24 hours or so, given that yesterday it was raining heavily. So yeah, let us go out and see. I fear it might rain. Maybe I'll take the umbrella as well. Hello guys, I have covered almost 1 kilometer, more than a kilometer, and this is what the area I always speak about. If you come in the weekends, you will find all of this area entirely vacant. Now if you observe, it is full of cars, that are all the commercial cars. These are probably the pickup vehicles of all the different nearby tech parks. This is what it looks like. But yeah, I'll show you this next Sunday how this looks like, how deserted this area looks like. It feels good coming outside after more than 48 hours, I would say. Almost 48 hours. Now it's around 6:10 or 6:20. I have reached Gachibowli. You will find this location once again in few more days, given that I'll be going to my native in maybe after 8 or 10 more days. So this is the stop from which I'll take the bus. That would be my preference. Let's see how it goes. This road goes all the way to Samshabad airport. If you observe there, it is written as GP5. So that's the what we say boarding point mentioned by Red Bus. Might be beneficial for few of you in case you are opting for Red Bus. So if you see here, it is GB5. So this is the stop for GB5. Now I will head back to home. Guys, it's 7:37 and I have reached PG. Now I'll head for dinner. I have covered almost 6 kilometers, more than 6 kilometers. Maybe after dinner I'll see if I can go somewhere out.